You do this right, you're gonna stay in place. People are not gonna see it. Hard. People are not gonna see it. Oh, shit. You're gonna cover. See, but that's what I mean, guys. This is what happens if you don't cover. Now he learned the hard way. This is what Dutch drilling is all about. I didn't mean to kick him. You okay? You lost me? Okay. I didn't mean to kick him, guys, but you're supposed to put that guard up. I even told him hard, that meant he should have covered up. Cover up. Good. Again, light, slow, go. Yo, what? Putting your hand here, cover, man. He doesn't learn, dude. Go. There you go. Dan pak me terug. Ready? Eerst lopen. I knew he was gonna kick me. Niet trappen, alleen lopen. Je moet eerst kunnen lopen, man. Ik ga niet meer hard. Ik ga licht. Wel lopen. No. From here, dude. From here, my dude. Like this. All of your weight. You need to put your weight in it. Otherwise, ga je kapot, jongen. Come on. Go. Go. Again. Go. Yeah, good, good. More. Like you're going to fall. Are you gonna fall? Okay, go. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. And push off. Push. Come in. Come in. Here. Zo, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Beter. Harder. Hard. Ik ga liggen. Hard. Yes, that's the one. That's the one. Yes. Now kick. Yeah. Yeah, I know, it's difficult. Yes. And keep looking, okay? Look. Watch. No. Wait. Stay. Alleen kijken. Only look. Hoeft niet. Okay? It's a different kind of kick, guys. You're not going to traditionally, no arm pull. You're not going to traditionally pull the arm back. You can't do that. You don't have, it's not necessary. The power is already your weight. That's what makes this kicking so different. That's why sometimes people don't understand when they see kickboxers move, what they're doing. But look, here. Neat. Okay? All you do is lift your leg. Yes. Just keep looking at me. Eerder. Kick earlier, much earlier. Te laat. Okay? Yes. Yes, that was it. Hard. Okay? Yes. You felt it in the hip. Yeah. That's it. Here. I want you guys to see it from my side of the head. Okay. Yeah, it's Salva. Salva. You see Salva? Same thing. Yeah, one more time. That's it. You guys see how beautiful that is? And how effective that is? And how simple that is? It's one of the things I told Viking Samurai, okay? One of the things I told Viking Samurai is that there is no magic with fighting. I have the chats. The guy still believes in magic. He even told me this. Oh, I still want to believe in magic. I'll never forget there's a guy named George Pokovich or something like that. He has a Sistema thing going on. Like a Russian Sistema. He sent me a video and asked me what I think of it. I said it's bullshit. The guy makes stupid videos out of his garage. And Viking Samurai claims he's the next best thing when the guy's never fought. He took it as far as saying, Russian people are even tougher than the Dutch. Says who? With striking, there's somewhere on there our feet too. There's somewhere on there our feet too. I threw a high kick now. There's somewhere under our feet, so you guys can look him up. But it's like, Viking Samurai actually believes in this stupid stuff. This right here is the real stuff, what we're doing right now. It's simple, I'm drilling it. I can even talk to you guys while I'm doing this, because that's how used I am to these techniques. He's already getting the hang of it. Okay? That will be it for this video, guys. Till the next video, catch you later.